gentlemen, esteemed guests and students of the universities in the Eastern Regional Workshop, I'm really delighted to be presenting this message for you for this inauguration of U75 Net Zero University Campus, the Regional Workshop. First and foremost, I extend my sincere appreciation to the Green TERRE Foundation for their wonderful efforts in equipping university students with the skills to implement sustainable development goals, as well as to achieve net zero, thus fostering a culture of carbon neutrality within campuses. I'd also, of course, like to thank IIT Guwahati and Royal Global University of Assam for co-hosting the event, and both of which have been instrumental in preparing the youth, to be global champions of sustainability. UNESCO has supported the work of Green TERRE Foundation in the past, and particularly in the area of open access data and World Natural Heritage Management. Our commitment to sustainability aligns very well with the goals of the Green TERRE Foundation, and this is creating a strong alliance in addressing global challenges at the local level. I'm also very pleased to share UNESCO's own achievement of measuring and offsetting all carbon emissions generated by our own operations and facilities. The label of carbon neutral was received in the 2020 UN Greening the Blue report and is a testament to UNESCO's commitment to sustainability, not only in talking about it, but doing it in our own operations. And the adoption of the UN strategy for sustainable management with a goal to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 45% by 2030 further underscores our dedication to combating climate change. Please also allow me to emphasize how UNESCO works extensively to accelerate climate change, education and greening initiatives. UNESCO's Greening Education Partnership, which involves the Green Academies, engages young students and their communities in transforming existing buildings, such as schools, into climate resilient structures. And this aligns very well with the U75 project's ambitious goal of making 75 campuses carbon neutral, starting from the 75th anniversary of India's independence. Through its coordinating role at the Greening Education Partnership, we take a whole of system approach to support countries and communities to tackle the climate crisis by harnessing the critical role of education. Recently, UNESCO New Delhi also launched the 5th edition of its annual flagship report, Seeds of Change, UNESCO 2023 State of Education Report for India on education to address climate change. And this publication goes deep into the role of education in tackling the increasingly complex and intensifying challenges posed by climate change. At the COP28 in Dubai recently, UNESCO showcased its efforts and called for concrete commitments and actions from countries to equip learners and teachers with the knowledge and skills needed to tackle our climate crisis. Universities, of course, are bastions of knowledge and innovation, and in that sense can lead by example in demonstrating carbon neutral targets within campuses. Universities in many ways are living laboratories where these demonstrations can trigger transformative changes. And it's very encouraging to learn that 3 regional workshops, including this one, have already been conducted in Pune, Chennai and Delhi, bringing together nearly 100 universities. The youth of our universities, with innovative minds and entrepreneurial spirits, hold a unique position as climate champions. Your transformative force is indispensable for shaping a sustainable future and safeguarding the well-being of our environment for the generations to come. As we look ahead, I'm heartened by the commitment of more universities joining the U75 project, signifying the unwavering desire of the youth to embrace mission life and address climate change. I convey my sincere hopes that this workshop evolves into a source of inspiration for universities across the region. So thank you all, thank you for being here, thank you for doing this project, and let's hope that this workshop can pave the way for a sustainable and resilient future. Thank you very much.